My name is Eric Zartler. I'm the Senior Vice President of Sports here at Visit Lake Charles in Lake Charles, Louisiana. So Visit Lake Charles, we work to bring in different events, meetings, conventions, events, market the area as a destination for people to come spend the night, come enjoy what we have to offer here in Southwest Louisiana. You know, our offices here, we have up to a two-level office, so we've always had some issues in my 16 years of being here of, you know, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. We could never really regulate it, and it was a challenge when you have people working upstairs, people working downstairs in offices and cubicles and just all the different dynamics. We went through several heating and air conditioning contractors over my 16 years here, and we're just never really satisfied. You know, I knew some of the folks over at Star, had some previous experience with them in a previous life. Thomas and the guys came in, you know, they brought the engineers in the building, and they came out, they did a full assessment of our systems, from the indoor units, the outdoor units, the compressors, the condensers, and all the other things I don't understand. Came back, they sat down, they gave us an assessment, they gave us a price on what it would take. The rest is history. I mean, it was kind of a no-brainer on our part. Their preventative maintenance has been wonderful. I mean, they're out here regularly checking on the system, even when we're not calling them for an issue. The more they stay on it, and the regular scheduled maintenance that they do equals less trouble costs. From a budgetary standpoint, the peace of mind knowing that this is what we're going to spend on our HVAC units each year is what we've been spending. You know, since they said this is the amount, that's the amount. And there hasn't been any surprises. We know what we're spending. We're not, you know, worried about, oh gosh, we got to replace 5 things in our units and everything else, and, you know, it's going to cost us $100,000, you know, surprisingly. As opposed to, you know, something we can budget for. It's a hard number. It's been a great relationship, and, you know, couldn't ask for anything more.